So, I just got this in the mail, and I'm using this mask to go as Jacket from Hotline Miami to Katsucon. Sorry about the audio. I have a fish tank now in my room. See fishes in there. Gilligan, Finnegan, and Floyd. Right, okay. So, we're gonna daily this thing up, and I'm still using the original reference photo. I'll pop it up on the screen if I can find it. And also using someone else's mask design. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some watered down black paint, put it all over the mask, make these eyes a lot darker, add some baby blue underline, or maybe all around the eye. So yeah, no idea what I'm really doing. I don't even know if paint will actually stick to the latex, but this is all an experiment. So let's do it.
got in a fight. Yeah, so, yeah, no, it's makeup. Well, there you go. Just a second. Is this what you wanted? But this is what I wanted. That's all I did to it. Bunch of black paint, wipe it off, rinse and repeat. Something I'm going to do without filming though is I'm going to add a strap to the inside of it. Probably just like a piece of cloth or something. Right on the back. So it's like just a little carrying handle.
Alright, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, or unsubscribe if you think I'm a piece of shit, or don't subscribe at all if you just don't want to. You can dislike if you want. It's up to you. The only thing is that if you comment, please comment something nice, because just gotta spread happiness, people. So have a good one. Let's try to do that. Oh.